How's it going, my beardless brethren? I'm wearing pajama pants, but a nice shirt, and I hope you're okay with that. I feel like we're on a Zoom call of sorts. Great way to start a video. Guys, I told you there was a special announcement coming, and the wait is over. If you've seen the title of this video, then you know I'm partnering with my friends at FollicleBooster to do a giveaway. We've just hit 1,500 subscribers, which is insane. When I started making videos 6 months ago, I never thought we would get to this point. I love making videos and I love helping you guys, and this channel is a great mix of both. So you know now that I'm doing a giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of the video and find out, how do you win this kit? So my friends at FollicleBooster saw a comment that I made to one of you guys where I said that I'd be interested in trying out some different kits and supplies on the channel. I want to help you guys find the best kits and supplies that you guys need to help grow your beards. So if you didn't know this, FollicleBooster was created by a guy who had lousy genetics like a lot of us, and he couldn't grow facial hair. He struggled with baldness and facial hair gains and was so frustrated with it all that he came up with his own kit for us. Knowing that someone who is in the same position as a lot of us came up with this kit makes me feel a lot better. It wasn't just a kit created by someone who doesn't know what they're talking about. This person was in our seats who came up with this idea and started a course to help us grow our facial hair. Personally, that makes me feel a lot more comfortable and excited to use it. So I've been using this kit from FollicleBooster for over a week, almost 2 weeks. So I want to give you my first impressions, my expectations, and the things that I've seen already. So in this kit, we have several things provided to us, the first being a derma roller. Up until this point, I've been on straight MINOXIDIL. I haven't used any other supplies, not BIOTIN, not derma rolling, nothing else. So I feel like this kit was a great way to break into some derma rolling, get some experience, and see how it works. So this derma roller has 540 medical titanium needles, and it measures at 0.3 millimeters per needle. So according to FollicleBooster's trials and research, this is the best length for your face to cause stimulation of the hair. There are tons of other lengths of derma rollers, but I think, in my opinion, this one is comfortable. I never felt like it was hurting me. Sometimes it get red, but it feel like a sunburn, but I never saw bleeding that you might get with some of the longer needles. Before actually doing anything to my face though, I always start with the soap they provided. This soap is all natural, it's oil rich, and so far has made my face feel super great. Also included in the kit is a steel pocket comb, which has been very useful for me. This has been great for me because before this I was using my plastic flimsy hair comb, the same one that I use with my hair product, so I was putting all that on my face, which was probably really bad for it. This comb is small, but it gets the job done. It fits basically anywhere, and it's not going to break on you. Finally, FollicleBooster included what they call the beard growth juice. It's infused with biotin, apple extract, growth peptides, and Indian kino tree. I was thoroughly surprised when I opened the box and this almost fell on the floor, and it's glass. Just the fact that this is glass just makes me so happy. It feels so premium. I always just take a couple drops of this, I rub it into my facial hair, and immediately I think it smells great, and it also feels super soft. And finally, FollicleBooster provided me with their beard growth course. According to them, they say using their products and following their instructions, within 2 months you'll see 50% thicker and darker hair. I haven't used the kit long enough yet to tell you my experience, but you can be sure in the next 2 months I'll keep you updated. So FollicleBooster gave me 3 different kits, and I feel selfish keeping all 3. So I'm going to give away a kit to 2 different people. Guys, I found this kit to be amazing so far, but even more amazing I think is the people at FollicleBooster. I've had such a great experience with them so far, getting to know them and their story, and guys, I think you're going to love this kit. If you're interested in winning one of these kits, I've started a giveaway below. Next Wednesday, June 23, I'll be picking 2 winners. To enter the giveaway, you first click the link below. You have the opportunity for 2 entries into the giveaway. Your first entry can be earned by visiting my channel, To Beard and Beyond. I'm not going to require you to subscribe, but guys, I'd love to have you. I upload videos of my progress, tutorials, frequently asked questions, and a ton of other helpful stuff, and I'd love to have you guys join my beardless brethren. The second entry can be earned by visiting FollicleBooster's Instagram page. They'd love it if you give them a follow. They post great content, and they're always there in their DMs if you have any questions. Next week, Wednesday, I'll upload a video announcing 2 winners. But the fun doesn't end there. Guys, FollicleBooster told me they're looking for brand representatives. FollicleBooster told me they're looking for people who will buy their kits, leave reviews, and possibly make some videos, and in exchange, they'll reimburse you for the kit. If you guys are interested in being part of that partnership, reach out to them on Instagram. I know they'd love to hear from you. With that said, guys, I'm beyond thankful for you. Nothing I could say or give away would be enough to thank you for all you've done for me. I love helping you guys through your beard journeys in whatever way I can. Even more meaningful to me is your guys' comments, which encourage me in my beard journey. I am so beyond grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. As I mentioned, I post videos about my journey, frequently asked questions about minoxidil, tutorials, and other such things. If you need minoxidil, lotion, or want to buy the Follicle Booster kit outright, I have links to all of that below. I love you guys. I'm going to keep reviewing different products, keep talking about them on my channel, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck.